Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. And today, as promised, we're doing my haircut slash trim video. I'm not sure what it's going to be now. The initial idea was for me to give myself a nice good cut, because I did think that my hair was in a worse position than I've actually realized that it's in. And don't mind me whilst I put on my little back support thing. I've realized that I bend quite a lot when I'm filming, so anyway, Dora. So I've taken my hair, I've blown my hair out. Like, I've done a really light blow dry on the hairstyle that I had in my last video. So if you saw my last tutorial, it was like my wash day, how to stretch your hair. And all I've just done is I just re-moisturized each of those sections from that video. I split the back in two, and then I just blew it out really lightly just to get the crinkles out so that we can have a good look. I'm not sure if this situation is going to work with this, but look at my posture. Look at my posture. Okay, so this is where we are. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like. Okay, I'll bring it forward. This is what we have. And I'll show you what it looks like from the back. So, okay. If we pull it, it's currently back at mid back length, the longest part of my hair. I just pulled some strands out, but it's basically right here, which is the small of my back where my dip begins. I wanted to show you like my concern area. It's not that much of a concern area, but basically I'm trying to get my hair to be predominantly the same thickness all around, which for the most part, as you can see, is quite a good thickness going all the way down until I show you. So you can see right there, like this bit, this see-through section here near the ends. I know you can see through it. Like, I want to get rid of that. So I want to cut about there and get rid of this so that the majority of my lengths are like equal. So I don't know if you can see. This is about how much I want to get rid of. We're gonna grow it back together, alright? Oh, Lord of mercy. Did I put my all into you, and you know meant it to me. If your feelings ever change, just let me know. I tell you, say give me joy. Anything I'm gonna talk, it be like. All the boys who won't move, them me one. For your love, I go break every law. I tell you, say give me joy. Anything I'm gonna talk, it be like. All the boys who won't move, them me one. For your love, I go break every law. See, I die away. And mommy won't cheat me, oh. Yeah, I die away. Missy, I die away. You drive me crazy, oh. Don't keep me waiting. It's in my jolly. I die away. Me dem ma kumani na be mawo. From what you skele. Oh baby, oh dede. Your love do me like juju. Me dem ma kumani na be mawo. From what you skele. Oh baby, oh dede. Your love do me like. Miss you so mama say. Oh do it with mama say. Oh mama say. Miss you so mama say. Oh do it with mama say. Oh mama say. This I die away.
Okay guys, shout out to Mum Z. We're done. I'm very happy. Very happy. Very, very happy. So hopefully I can do like a side by side so you guys can see. But I'm still happy. I'm very, very happy. I've got that like thickness that I want all around. I like it. I'm so pleased. It feels amazing. And yeah, we're gonna grow it together. Just imagine we woke up in paradise. I don't need magic. Let my thoughts just carry us home, home tonight. Future's golden. Don't let go, don't give it up. Just keep holding. Even when you've had enough, I will be your light. When you're low, I'll lead you home, chariot. Take you back to where you're from, chariot. One step forward on the road ahead of us. Don't look back, no. You just need a bit of luck. Oh, oh, tonight. When you're low, I'll lead you home, chariot. Take you back to where you're from, chariot. When you're low. Okay guys, so really quickly before the camera goes, I just wanted to say, my battery's dying, I wanted to say thanks for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I don't know if I've missed anything out because it's just been a whirlwind. I've been filming this video for a long time because I had to wait for my mum and all that stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. This is where my hair is now. What's that? Bra strap. It's like, that's my bra strap and it's there. So I'm currently bra strap length, literally just, that's APL and that's BSL. And I'm very happy with my decision. The issue that I had has now been resolved. As you can see, my hair is the same thickness all the way down. And I'm really happy. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.